This place is bad. Yeah, look at that pillar. We need to check the foundation. Panel's live. Use the tester. Right, checking continuity now. Watch for sparks. Got it. I'll secure this wire. Good. Let's power it down. Power line ready. Move left a bit. That's it. Now lift. Good. Swing it right. Clear. Drop it there. Keep it straight. Steady. Going in. Alignment's good. Push. Hole's clear. Anchor ready. Set. Move to next. Good. Hold it steady. Holding steady. Angle the torch down. Watch the base. Adjusting. Sparks are flying. Good. Keep the heat consistent. Almost there. Steady, steady. Steady, steady. Roof. A roof was the worst part.
Hold it steady.
I got it. Spark.
Watch the edge.
Clean this edge properly. That's better. Keep going. Mark this line here. Now spray it. Line matches the plan. It's set. This is looking better. Yes, the floor is much clearer.
The debris pile is smaller.
Good progress. This beam is weak. I'll mark the weak points. Good. Let's check the next one. Keep pushing. Dust is flying. Yeah, it's thick today. Oh, this dust. Almost clear. Keep at it. My throat's burning. More pass.
Finally, some progress.
Yeah, look at that grime go. Keep it steady. Almost clear.
Teamwork makes it happen.
Not bad at all. Next section, let's go. Keep the flow going. Let's expand this clean area. All right, team, let's get these lines down. Start the zone right here. Got it. Laying it out now. Perfect. Mark the alignment points clearly. Snapping the line now. Good. Double check the start zone. Good. Zone's defined. All right, team, let's secure these base frames to the floor. Check your alignments. Holding steady. Ready for the next S1. This side secure. Moving to the next. Extending the line inward now. Pushing this section into place. Got it. All line is straight. Look straight. Check the level. Level's good. It's secure. All right, team, let's get this final section secured. Check the alignment carefully. Bolts are tight. Move to the next one.
Alignment is spot on. The entire line is fully assembled.
All right, moving to the side zone. Let's open these crates.
Copy that. Crates are unlocked. Lifting the first unit now.
Good. Place it in unit placed and locked. Ready for the next phase. Align the plates precisely. No deviations. Left side secured. Moving to the next. Good. Proceed with the right side. Right side complete. All bolts to X1. All right, let's connect these neatly.
Got it. Starting with the power lines.
Make sure it's secure. No loose wiring. All set. Ready for testing. Initiating calibration sequence. Adjusting torque parameters for precision. Grip confirmed. Proceed to place. Placement successful. System is stable.
Pick and sort sequence complete. Throughput is optimal.
Confirmed. System is fully operational. Task complete. Powering on main electrical system. Lights blinking. Checking panel integrity. Electrical setup completed successfully. System is active in output. All right, let's get this cart to the wall. Copy that. Keep it steady. Tables are ready. Where do the boxes go? On the tables. Stack them neatly. Got it. Looks good. All right, step back. Let's check the layout. Looks good, everything's in place. Confirmed, the setup is complete.